This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty/Lake Country property video is presented by Vicky Zimmerman. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an upstairs bonus room, nestled on a spacious 0.69-acre lot. The open floor plan features a vaulted great room with a cozy fireplace, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The kitchen is a delight with granite countertops, an island, and a bright breakfast area, complemented by a separate dining area. The spacious primary suite includes a tray ceiling, large walk-in closet with custom closet system, and a luxurious ensuite bath with dual sinks, soaking tub, and separate shower. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a well-appointed hall bath. Enjoy outdoor living on the covered front and back porches, and take advantage of the 2-car garage, concrete driveway, irrigation system, window shades, and plantation shutters. Located just minutes from Lake Oconee, shopping, and dining, this home combines comfort, style, and convenience in a desirable neighborhood.